Okay guys, just to take these the power supply of the PS4 Slim is not hard, so I think it's just here in the back. So first we just need to take the cover, the front top cover. So just we can turn it like this, and we just grab it here and pull it up, and it should come out as easy as this. As you can see, here is the power supply. We have here as well this screw here in the back. Usually it have a sticker, but this one doesn't have. So here, this is the screw, a T8 I believe. In some cases this screwdriver might not work, because here in the screw itself it have a pin in the middle. Not sure if you can, sometimes it's very hard to see, but it might have a pin there. In this case actually it has a pin, so usually what I do for these ones, I use a simple flat screwdriver, and I put it there and I try to unscrew it like this. In this case here, it's hard to see, but there is a small pin there in the middle. So with this screwdriver we just put it here on the side and use that pin to twist it. Sometimes the pin breaks, and then we can use the normal T8 or T9 I think. Okay, so we took out this screw, and then we can take as well the screws here. There is as well 2 T8 screws here and 2 Phillips, and here another one. Okay, so let's take it out as well. And it comes out, and as you can notice, the left side is longer than the right side, so it's a bit, if you're looking through the back of the PS4. Then we have here the Phillips. Here's the antenna. And these ones are quite long ones, so 2 long ones, 1 small, and that's it. And then to take it out, we just need to wiggle from one side to the other, and that's it. Be careful, because here in the back there is this power supply connected, and we just disconnect it. We can disconnect it by hand or with pliers, but in this case it comes out. So as you can see over here, you have these connectors that goes here into inside of the power supply, so that's why we need to wiggle a bit like this, trying to do like this to be able to take it out. So when we have the power supply out, it's not a hard one. If we want to disassemble this, there is a Phillips screwdriver screw here, so we just unscrew it if it wants to come out, and there it is. Then to take this cover out. Here in some places you can see that it moves like this. So in some places here there is some kind of pins, latches. See here, this one actually it came out already here a bit, so you need just go through all the sides and it should come out. Let's try to do it. See here, you can see here these ones, 1, 2 and so on. So we need to go all around because it has all around, even in this side over here. Yeah, see, so might be a little bit of force needed, but the best is to use this kind of tool, kind of pry it in, and it should come out everywhere. See, you see over here is you have here the ones that where it fits. Here as well we have the where the charger goes, so we just need a bit of force and actually everything comes out. And this is how you take out the power supply of a PS4.